Okay, I'm gonna do a speech. I wrote a long one, but I'm gonna try to make it short because I might cry. I don't know why. First and foremost, I want to thank. Oh, here it comes. Jesus Christ. Why does this always happen?
You're so beautiful.
I'm about to read the first sentence. I can't even make it through. Oh, so yesterday they went to go
Your love is my satisfaction. Your joy is my only passion. I'll follow you with every action. Lord, lead me.
What time is it?
Lead me in every fashion. Your love is my
Congratulations, Cynthia. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so proud of the woman that you are becoming. Continue to reach for the star, and I know that you will get really, really high up there one day. Love you.
Congratulations.
Sorry, that was really bad.
That's okay.
Wait, I don't know. I was gonna say it together. One, go. Congrats, Cynthia. We're so proud of you, and we love you.
Love you.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, go ahead.
Congratulations, Cyn. Love you.
Congratulations, Cyn. You deserve it.
I'm so proud of you, and I hope you do good things.
Cynthia, congrats. Very proud of you. Can't wait for you to do my face. But good luck and best wishes for your salon.
Hey Cynthia, we're so proud of you. We had no doubt that you were going to be able to do this. You were already hustling well before you got your esthetician license. Sky's the limit for you. Cheers!
Hi Cynthia, congratulations on your graduation. We're so proud of you and we look forward to all the exciting things that you're going to do in the future. This is your graduation day today. You're at my house, so remember, I'm going to get that favor back. Peace.
Hi, Cynthia. I just want to say I'm so proud of you, and I'm so happy to be along your journey. Congratulations, and we'll be gossiping later. Love you.
Hi, Cyn. We love you. We're so proud of you.
Congrats, Cyn. You're going to do great things. I'm so proud of you. Love you.
Congrats, girl. We're very proud of you. Very happy for your journey. Wish you the best on your future endeavors.
Yes. We love you.
Bye.
Congratulations, Cynthia. I am so proud of you and so happy that you are independent and don't have to live off of me. No more. Way to go, girl.
I want to thank my mom, my sisters, and my aunts who helped bring this whole day and event together. They took time out of their busy schedules and lives to make this happen and make it so beautiful. It's always the best feeling to have a really strong support system behind you. I never imagined to be standing here saying a speech and signing on my own space, because a lot of you guys know where I started. When I signed up for my first lash class with my sister-in-law Tang, we just thought it was going to be a certificate and we were just taking it just because. And then I got a full book of clients, and some of you guys are here from my very beginning, so you guys are very special to me in my heart. Jesus. I really didn't know I was going to be an entrepreneur. I was just going to go to school just to get a degree to make my parents happy because that's what they wanted me to do. Yeah, I'm still going to school, so don't worry. It was really, really nice having my brother in my first space and my sister-in-law in their basement for a whole year. I was able to grow. And then my parents had enough encouraging words and support in my business that when COVID happened and I had to move my space, that they were there to allow me to do my business and to continue to grow, and that I didn't have to stop. And then now I moved to my other brother's house. I've been there for a year, and this event is really special to have all of you guys here because I get to share like this whole journey with you guys. And I signed on my very, very first suite, and it's exciting because it's not in a house, so it's not in the living room or in the basement or in my bedroom anymore. So it's huge, and I know that you know, it's only up from here. But something I wanted to say was I kept wondering why I never gave up when people would ask me like, oh, how do you keep going? And it just clicked one day. I was sitting down and I was with my family and I just looked around and I saw everybody and I was able to see how much support and love I have from everyone, and I was like, this is why I keep going, because of my sister, my sister-in-laws, my mom. Sorry. It's really hard when you have a lot of pressure on you, but I'm retiring Glammed by Cynthia and I'm going over to a new business, and it's my official first LLC. My mom helped me complete it. It's Khonsu Esthetics LLC. Yeah, I definitely need a napkin. Khonsu is an Egyptian mythical god. He is somebody who is the moon goddess. So Cynthia means moon goddess as well. And I didn't want to do anything that was, I guess, simple and that didn't represent me. So he is a protector and he's a lover, and that's just what I want to do in my business. Is I want to continue to show love and grow and protect all my people, be there for them and make them beautiful. So we're gonna cheers to new beginnings for everyone here, because everyone is going somewhere and I just want to take you guys all with me. Cheers! Woo! Thank you! Wait, does my makeup look bad?